Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have a little unboxing here. This is Bella. She is a 2020 release from Disney. And she's been in her box with me for, boy, I can't even remember, maybe a year or so. But one of the things I'm going to be doing in the next year, 2022, is I am sort of reviewing my dolls. And some of my dolls that have been in boxes, I'm going to let them free, break them out of the box, and enjoy them. And I will also be rehoming some dolls as well. So she is on my list to break out of her box, enjoy her for a time, and then I will be gifting her to a little girl who is on my list. So she will be going to a new home after she spends a little bit more time with me. But wow, she's really pretty. Look at those eyebrows. All right, let's get her out of here. I've already cut the little tabby things up here, so I hope I can just pull her out. I will say this box is really nice. I had her just on display. Let me pull out here a little bit. So I've had her on display just like this in the box for a while. Now they do have new boxing, new packaging with these dolls. This line of dolls, this play line, which makes it not as much plastic is involved, and which is really nice for the environment. But for people who like to display their dolls in their box, it's probably a little problematic. The back of the box is nice. It's not amazing, but it's pretty. I mean, you can see the Beast there, Beauty and the Beast, and some of the other characters. It's pretty. It's nice. I wouldn't say it's the best box I've ever seen, but it's nice. But now's the time for her to break free of the box. If I can get her out of here. I cut this. I don't know what the deal is. Come on, man. I did cut you. All right, just took a little bit of finagling off camera, of course. All right, so she, like I said, she should just pull out of here. It's been a while since I've unboxed one of these Disney dolls. I actually have quite a few other ones I think I am going to unbox and either, like I said, rehome or keep. And she is going to temporarily stay with me a little while longer before I wrap her up and gift her to somebody I know who's going to really like her. All right, don't want to scratch her face up. There we go. Ooh, look at that hair. Wow. So this whole line of dolls from 2020 all have very sparkly skirts. There we go. Whew. Which is nice. It does, you know, give a cohesion to the group if you're going to have all the dolls. They also have these little doohickeys. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be. It's like a cameo. It's like a pendant or something. So I can just pop it out of there. I can't. Where do you go? Oh, here we go, girl. Yeah, so it's like a little cameo. In fact, you know what I might do? It's like a little, just like a little clip. So I might put a little ribbon on that when I send the doll onto her. And then she could wear it like a little necklace. She would probably like that. That's really cute. Okay. All right, so otherwise she is tied in here pretty well. So I'm going to undo all this off camera and come back and we'll take a closer look at the doll. This is kind of funny. Yeah, now that I look at this closely, look at that. All right, so let me finish freeing her and I will be back and we will take a closer look at her dress, the doll, and her hair and all that good stuff. So before I look at her too much closely, I just wanted to show you guys her with the other dolls from this particular group. They all came out in 2020, as I said, and you can see how the skirts all have like a sparkly finish to them. And I think that's a really nice touch. I like how they all look, you know, cohesive. But yeah, don't they look all pretty together? All right, so her dress, they all have this like, you know, stuffing in here. It's just tissue that they wrapped around the legs and everything to poof out the dress. So get rid of that. Put that in the recycling bin. They all have these really cute shoes, and they put the little elastic. The elastic does come off, by the way. But what's nice is if you wanted to, you know, kids could easily lose these shoes, so the elastic is nice to kind of keep on these. And just as a side note, these shoes actually fit the Takara bodies of a Blythe doll. So, ask me how I know. Of course, I had to check that out. But they're cute. They're just like little slip-on ballet slipper type shoes, you know, real basic. Now the dress is anything but basic, and oh my goodness, look at these gloves. Holy cow. I don't think any of the other princesses have these long gloves like she does. This is so nice. I mean, wow, how pretty. And then she's got the off-the-shoulder little satin top. And like I said, she's got the sparkles, and then this extra satin ribbon. It kind of goes, it's all around the dress, and it moves up, and then it's gathered in spots. And then even her dress has some ruching up here. This dress actually is probably one of the most detailed ones out of the group that I've seen. Now her face is really pretty. Like I said, those eyebrows stand out to me. I think she has a beautiful face. She's got, it looks like a little bit of pink eyeshadow, or even purpley looking eyeshadow. Very light blushing. And you can see, you know, they also have their teeth showing, and she's got these really pretty pink lips. Her hair, this is kind of weird to me. I mean, I know, you know, this character has this bun and everything. The hair, like a lot of the dolls, has extensive product on it. It's very stiff, but it could easily be brushed out. It's weird. It's actually kind of soft up here, very soft here, and then real stiff down here. This still has, it had the little plugs in her head. I'm going to remove those a little bit better since I'm sending this to somebody else, so that she doesn't have to deal with that. I have to be very careful so I don't cut her hair when I do that. But what a pretty doll. No wonder this doll, this is probably one of the most popular princesses that I know of, that most little girls really like. And who can resist the story of Beauty and the Beast, really? All right, so here she is. She's gorgeous. I'm going to keep her in a dress. It is just Velcroed in there, but the dresses, they do come off, and they do have other clothing that you can put them in. I have done videos where I've shown Blythe dolls in these outfits, and they do typically fit. The Blythe dolls are a little bit long. They actually fit Pull-Up really well. Pull-Up has a very similar body to these dolls. Their legs, by the way, before I let you go, they do bend, but they're kind of like a, they remind me a little bit of like a Leica, where they're just like, I mean, they do snap. They do have a snap, but they're not super, that's just one snap. That's it. So they're not super bendy like a typical, like usually a Barbie doll has a couple of snaps. So this, yeah, she does bend a little bit. But beautiful dolls to display or play with, which she will probably get lots of playtime in from the person I'm going to send her to. I have no doubt. All right, guys, that's it. That's the unboxing of Belle from Beauty and the Beast from Disney. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is she one of your favorite princesses from the Disney line? Have a wonderful Dolly day. I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. Bye-bye.